Hello, hello, my friend.
Hello, hello. Welcome aboard. Welcome, my friend.
All right, everybody, welcome back to Part-Time Adventures. My name is Jesse. We are here today to check out some construction at Disneyland. So we're going to start with the monorail and taking a look at downtown Disney. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. And let's check out some of the construction going on around the Disneyland Resort today. So not construction, but just one of my favorite views in the entire park. So just had to pause for a second to check that out. Alright, so checking out the progress at downtown Disney. Looks like a lot of good progress. Looks like a lot of work, digging up a lot of stuff. And I could be wrong, but I think that tree and that planter right here is new. There was nothing there before. So already got our first tree and planter. So that's great to see. And I wish that I had my camera ready on the second leg of the trip. I totally forgot Matterhorn was under construction, and there was a lot of good shots there of the Matterhorn and things being taken apart, like the wheels that power the cars laying around, equipment, just a lot of cool shots I got to check out. But we're gonna go see what we can see from the ground of the Matterhorn construction next. It is packed to the gills. It looks like you can't even go up to the third floor right now. Yeah.
Or did they make everyone go down because it's almost time to get off?
I don't think so. Alright, checking out some of the construction going on along New Orleans. You can see there's some walls up over at Tiana's place, and it's under scrim. So getting a good angle of what that's looking like from up here. And Tarzan obviously still under walls and scrim. We'll go take a closer look at that. But the main reason for being on the Mark Twain today is to check out anything we can see from the Fantasmic fire that happened last week.
Mark Twain is not just the name of a river or a great American author. It also means the water here is too fast. That means it's safer for us to proceed on our steam-powered journey along the rivers of America.
Yeah, we can see they got scrims up already, which was to be expected. Oh, I can see through the scrim. I don't think it's showing up on camera that it looks like part of The apparatus is still sticking up out of the ground.
I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way, and even tell you about a legend or two. We begin our trip right here.
Yeah, that fire was terrible.
Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans.
Glad we were able to see Fantasmic just a few weeks ago before all this went down. Tom Sawyer Island is still open, so that's good. Glad to see they didn't have to like shut down the whole island because of it.
New Orleans is rich in history, music, good food, and ghost stories. One of those stories involves the old mansion you see over there on the hill. I've heard it said that the place is haunted, filled with 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make it 8,000. If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself after you arrive back at the landing in Frontierland. We're now passing Bowers Hall. This is home to the best bridge in the first American ship to circumnavigate.
Yeah, terrible that happened. Hoping to see recovery for the Dragon and resuming of the show, but as of right now, the show is not running. It's closed indefinitely. So hopefully they're able to get that up and running again soon. Alright, grabbing some shots of the treehouse. Checking out the progress there. Not a whole lot. One thing I have noticed though, well maybe, never mind, I'm not going to point it out. I thought I saw something, but it's not. But just really excited for this to be done and open. Hopefully it won't be too much longer. And then checking out the progress at the soon-to-be San Francisco. To my eye, it doesn't look like a lot has changed yet. They've got a lot of scaffolding up, and they have had a lot of scaffolding up for a while, but it doesn't look like it's too different. Not yet, at least.
They have that now, says San Francisco.
Yeah. And then the bridge is red. Well, I think it has been. Or orange. But yeah, not progress yet on the supports that are going to go on the side of it to complete the bridge. But we'll keep an eye on the progress here and see how it's coming along, and we'll be here to check out the final progress as soon as it's done.
I think that's just a reflection from the red.
Alright, that'll do it from this week's construction update. Got to see Downtown Disney, New Orleans, Tarzan,
The boy go first.
San Francisco. Just had fun getting to walk around and check out everything. So thank you guys for hanging out with us and checking out this construction update.